I'm going to show you how you can enable and activate some commands that will allow you to unlock new features in the game. So for example, after this method, you can enable the God mode like I have right now. As you can see, they can't kill me. I can also put this command to set health for me. I can also put /money, so a small item will appear here. And I can also respawn all the players in the game that are dead. So let's see how we can do this. This is very easy. All you need to do is go to thunderstore.io and you will see Get the Thunderstore app. So this is a mod manager that will allow us to download mods on R.E.P.O. And with this mod we are going to add more commands into the game. So click on Get App and Download, and then open the file you just downloaded. In my case, I have it here already, so I'm just gonna open it. And once it opens, you need to search for the game, which is R.E.P.O. Click on Select Game and create a new profile, just like this. Click on Create New and set any name you want, and click on Select Profile. And now if you go to Get Mods, you will see the full list of all the mods available on R.E.P.O. right now. And the one we are looking for is this one called More Commands. You can click on Download and download with dependencies. And this way the mod will be added and you can enable or disable it whenever you want. If you go to the website right here, you will see the full list of all the commands available right now. So that's it. It's important to know that your friends don't really need to install this. So this is client side, which means that if you have it, you can use the commands and you don't need anyone else in your lobby to have this mod as well. So after that, just click on the mod button. This way you will open the game with mods. If you open it directly from Steam, it won't launch with the mods. So it's important to note that you need to open it from Thunderstore. If this CMD appears, it means that everything is working fine. As you can see, More Commands is loaded. And now if we go into the game, we can go to any game and start using the commands. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.